Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Bird talk. The poem Bird Talk is about the conversation between two birds. Have you ever listened to the sound of any bird? Can you identify the sounds of different birds around you? Let us hear the sound of some birds around us. Bird Talk. Bird Talk is an interesting poem by Eileen Fisher. The poem tells us about the talk between the two birds, Robin and Jay. Let us listen to the conversation between the two birds. Bird Talk. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? New words. Feathers. Peacock has beautiful feathers. Funny. The jokers in the circus are funny. Wires. We should not touch wires with wet hands. Wings. The birds fly with the help of wings.